Fernandez. CNN News 18 is learning that Jacqueline Fernandez is readying a legal strategy in huddle with lawyers before questioning that is all set to begin by the EOW, the Economic Offence Wing of Delhi Police. She has, according to sources, held a meeting with her lawyers where she was advised about the line of questioning. Remember, we were sharing those crucial questions with you. For more details, let's quickly go across to Ananya Patagar, who is on the phone line with us. Ananya, as we were talking about, these are some crucial questions that will be posed to her. What can we expect in terms of the defense that her lawyers are going to present as far as Jacqueline is concerned? What kind of defense strategy can we expect from her, considering much is in the public domain in terms of what she had accepted from Sukesh?
Well, definitely a lot is there in the public with regards to the gifts that she had received and how she was a part and parcel to what Mr. Sukesh Shekhar was doing. So the legal team has basically met Jacqueline Fernandez and held a meeting with her today morning. In fact, we were the first ones to break it down that she would be holding a meeting, and the lawyers have in fact advised her to give a certain kind of answers. They have also advised her which questions to skip and which questions to answer. Also about her conduct during the investigation also has been advised to Jacqueline Fernandez. She has been told about what is the current position of the case of the EOW and the ED against her, and how she has to in fact conduct herself during the interrogation that has been conducted by the Economic Offences Wing. Because remember that this is not the first time that she would, it's not the last time in fact that she would be appearing. The EOW can issue another summons to her and can question her later also, but then for today it is very, very crucial because she is appearing for the first time before the Economic Offences Wing of the Delhi Police after summons were issued against her thrice, and this is the third time that summons were issued against her. The first two times, the first time when she had skipped the summons, the EOW had informed the court and her lawyers had made a statement that she would be appearing the next time. However, she did not appear, citing professional commitments, and now this is the third summon that was issued against her, and now she is appearing. We are told that she would be reaching the Economic Offences Wing office of the Delhi Police at the Mandir Marg at around 11:30 a.m. along with the team of her lawyers. It's a battery of lawyers led by Mr. Prashant Patil, who's a very, very fine advocate when it comes to cases like these. He's not only the advocate for Jacqueline Fernandez, but has also represented Mr. Raj Kundra in the pawn racket case, also Shilpa Shetty Kundra. But at this point of time, essentially, Jacqueline is in a lot of troubles because already the ED heat is on against her. A charge sheet has been filed, and her statements are very, very crucial in those charge sheets that have been filed. Because remember, it is not only the case of the Enforcement Directorate that in the lure of money, she had forgotten what the criminal antecedents of Mr. Sukesh Shekhar was. But also very, very importantly, in fact, the statements also goes on to say that she has admitted in her statements that she had deleted the phone records of her and had also advised her staff to clear all of the digital records of their phones as well with regards to Sukesh Shekhar, as and when he was picked up by the Delhi Police and the Enforcement Directorate into this particular case of duping of a businessman's wife for over 200 crore rupees. And this is the heat that is going on Jacqueline Fernandez. Right. She is into troubles definitely, because today she'll be appearing before the EOW, and on the September 26th she will have to appear before Delhi's Patiala House Court. Though she can skip these summons, she could have skipped these summons, but then before the court she will have to appear. She will also apply for a regular bail into the ED matter. Right. And we'll have to wait and watch as to how things turn around. But at this point of time, very, very clearly, the lawyers have advised her to stay defensive, to stay as easy as she could, because she doesn't want to do a lot of damage on herself. Already she's into a lot of troubles and would not do something that would invite her more troubles into this particular case.
Absolutely. Akansha. And we will keep coming back to you, Ananya, because let's not forget at 11 a.m. roughly is when she's expected to turn up at the Delhi Police headquarters and in Mandir Marg, in fact. And we'll keep coming back to you.